Would you like to create more curves, or look slimmer and taller, or maybe highlight certain areas of your body while minimizing others? We've got your back. Illusion dressing is designed to help you achieve all of that. This video will give you a whole bag of tricks that we use to help our clients look and feel fabulous. Using these concepts, you can instantly minimize common figure challenge areas, highlight your favorite features, and achieve your ideal silhouette. In the end, you will have easy optical illusions to try effortlessly. So let's jump right into the video. If you like the look of a midi or maxi dress or skirt, but you're afraid that it will make you look shorter, don't worry. The trick is make sure you go for one that has a high slit. When there's a slit, you will show more skin on your legs, and it will give the impression that the clothes fit you well and that your legs are longer. And since the slit is in a straight line from top to bottom, it creates this vertical line that adds to the length of your legs, making them appear longer. If you are petite, you can go for mini skirts, midi skirts, and even maxi skirts, but avoid knee-length skirts. These skirts are not flattering at all for us because they divide the legs into two portions, and the awkward length makes you look a lot shorter. Even though the skirt may be high-waisted, it ends at an awkward length that doesn't look good. Nudes are known to give your feet an elongated look. It might not in the literal sense, but fashion is all about creating an illusion and make-believe. Wearing nude shoes, or rather shoes that match your skin tone, will help in making you look taller because you are adhering to the rule of building the longest unbroken visual line from your head to toe. Pointed shoes may not be the most comfortable shoe option, but these shoes can do wonders for a petite figure. Pointed shoes will also elongate your legs. They will literally add an inch or two to your foot, in heel form, which translates to like 4 inches of extra height, 2 on the heel, 2 on the toe, or more, if you're feeling ambitious. That's because pointed toe shoes tend to give off an optical illusion that the visual line is much longer than it is as compared to if you were to wear a pair of rounded toe or square toe shoes. Unlike a square toe which can truncate the leg, a pointed toe elongates it. That's true regardless of whether or not you're wearing a heel. In fact, a pointed toe kitten heel can really flatter and make your legs seem longer than they really are. We understand that pointed toe shoes are usually more uncomfortable, especially if you have wide feet, because it would feel like your toes are being squeezed. As such, what we suggest is to wear toe protectors or toe caps to cushion your toes and prevent friction. This will also prevent your toes from sliding towards the front and getting squeezed. If you're not someone who is used to wearing heels, you might want to start off with pointed toe flats first. Since they are flat, they are much easier on your feet. If you have short legs, avoid wearing heels with ankle straps or T-straps because these will make you look shorter. Remember how we always want to create a visual line that is unbroken from our head to our toes? Well, as pretty as they are, ankle strap shoes can bisect your legs and cut the visual line short. This will then cause you to look shorter, which is the opposite of what you want. You might be wondering if there's really no other way for you to wear ankle-strapped shoes, especially if your favorite heels are strappy sandals. Well, the only time the rule can be overlooked is if you were to wear a pair of ankle-strapped heels in the shade of your skin tone. Whenever you want to look taller or slimmer, make sure you have some vertical lines in your outfit. Diagonal lines also have the same effect as vertical lines as they draw the eye across the body, helping to visually lengthen and slim. The greater the length of the diagonal line, the more slimming and lengthening its effect. Look for other diagonal lines in the garment, especially in areas that you want to appear slimmer. Another way to build a long, unbroken visual line is to match your bottoms with your shoes in terms of their color. The most fail-proof style is to go with black bottoms and black shoes. The wider and more open your neckline, the narrower your waist seams. Even if you wear a t-shirt or top out, this means favoring wide V-necks or boat necks, cowls, and unbuttoning your blouse to just above your bra. Yank the neckline at the top to emphasize the V. Don't be tempted to fill in your neckline with scarves or big statement necklaces either. Let the open wide space do its job to balance your extra inches below. To fake an immediate hourglass silhouette, you need both a bra and a belt. The bra should be uplifting bra so that it hikes the girls up and off your torso, creating more space between your breasts and belly. Then add the belt just above your real waist, a ½ inch to 1 inch higher on the rib cage, a crucial move with a large chest and short torso. Go for a tailored hip-length blazer and wear it unbuttoned to frame your shape. It will trim your body at the sides in a camouflaging frame. Your width, front and center, is instantly diminished. A fitted jacket with an indented waist will always shrink your waist and make your legs appear longer. The easiest way to create width, curve, and shape is through horizontal lines. But also note, this tends to shorten and broaden the body. Here's how to make these lines work in your favor. The lines will work in your favor if you avoid placing horizontal lines across an unflattering area or a point you don't want to highlight, such as a fuller tummy. Place lines anywhere you want to draw attention to or broaden, that is your slimmest point or narrow shoulders. As image consultants, we help give ladies confidence. We help you discover creative ways to improve an existing outfit or make a new purchase more flattering and look great in clothes. We are full of outfit tricks to help you with whatever look you are aiming for with minimum cost, stress, and time, and maximum appeal. So be sure to subscribe to this channel.